I say I love you, but today no one contain me. I swear, by the moon and the stars, I'll take you there, oh mama, my baby. I will take bullet for you. I said no be one, baby, no be two.
Hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, today's video, I don't know the look I'll be going for, but I just want to create a look. I just feel like I should just record this video. I don't know what I'll be going for, but let's just get right started. Now I'm just going to start first of all with primer. I'm just going to prime my face. As you know, when you apply primer, you don't want to go under your eyes. When you go under your eyes with primer, it's really dangerous because it's going to give you that cakey under eyes and you don't want that. So next, I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Concealer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that. So you guys, I know my voice is sounding kind of funny, but just ignore that, you guys. Just ignore it because I don't know what's wrong with my voice lately. So to highlight my face, I'll be going with my Pro Concealer. I'm just going to use this to highlight my face. I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend the highlighter, but I'm not going to use where I use for my foundation. I'll be using a different parts, like the upper part, to blend the highlighter in. So next, I am going in with my black Opal stick foundation. This is Nutmeg. I'll be using this to contour my face. So next, I'll be using the other side of my beauty blender to blend it all in. As you can see here, it's more faded, like the harsh lines are gone compared to this side. So this is also a very important step when you are doing your makeup. You want to make sure you fade out every harsh lines. So now I will be going in with my Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. So now to fade the harsh lines of the contour a little bit, I will be going in with the Zikel High Definition Powder and Foundation Palette. I will be going with this, and what we have here is, this is the whole what is in the palette. I really like this palette, you guys. I really like it because there is different shade. They have nutmeg, ebony, toffee, chestnut, bronze, dark cacao, fawn. So they have a lot. So you can choose anyone to work with. So right now, because I'm using it for contouring at this point, I will take this one right here. This one I'll be using, and this one is called Bronze. I'll use it for the parts I've contoured already. So to blend all in, I will be using this this short brush, this one right here, to blend all the powder in. So at this point, I am going to use my setting spray. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I'm going to set my face now. Yes, I know. Normally I set my face after I apply my eyeshadow and I finish my brow, but of late I learned something new, and then I'm just working with it. I set my face twice, so I'm going to use the setting spray first. Whilst it's drying up, I'm just going to go off camera and then I will do my brow. So let's just finish with the first round of setting spray. Whilst I wait for this first round of setting spray to dry, I'm just going to go off camera and do my brows, and I will be right back. So I went to do my brows off camera, so now we are just going to continue with the look. So before I go in with my eyeshadow, I'm just going to put some powder once again. Yeah, this is not compulsory, this is just what I like to do sometimes personally, just because in case the eyeshadow they fall, so it does not stick to my skin. So it's not compulsory, you don't have to do this, it's just a personal choice. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of foundation. You can also decide to use concealer. Most people use concealer. Sometimes I also use concealer, sometimes I use foundation. So for the eyes, I will be using this palette right here. I'll be using this PS Berry Edition. So first I will go in with this one right here. I'm using the same brush I used to apply the foundation on. So now I'm going to use another brush and then I'm going to apply this darker one right here. I'm applying this just at the outer part of my eyes. Just going a little bit, just a little bit on top of my crease, just a little bit. Now I'm just dragging it backwards a little. Just to give it a little bit, I don't know if I should call this like a tail or like a wing kind of shape. So to cut my crease, I am using the Catrice Camouflage cream. That's what I'll be using to cut my crease. Now now I will be going in with this blue shimmer right here. So the next blue I will apply is this one. Next, I will be going in with my Catrice Caligraphic Ultra Slim Eyeliner Pen. So next I'm going to go in with this blue eyeliner to just go underneath my eyes. You guys, I didn't know my camera wasn't recording. Ugh! I didn't know. So anyways, we are just going to continue from right here, and yeah, as you can see, I've already done this part of the eyes. As you can see, this one looks a little bit different than this one, but anyways, so let me just finish with my eye. I'm just going to quickly finish with my eyelash and then continue with the rest part of the face. It's so annoying. Sometimes you're recording and then it happens sometimes. I have finished the eyes. As you can see, it's already done. My eyelashes are popping. So I'll be using this MAC Studio. Yeah, I'm just going to use this one to continue with the look. So to give my cheekbone some shine, I'm going to go with this one right here. I don't want it to be too shiny. So for my nose, I will be using this one. I think I just want to put a little bit of shine around my cheekbone, just a little bit, because I feel like my cheekbones are sleeping. I'm just spreading it a little bit underneath my eyes. So now to finish this look, you guys, I'm going to go in with, normally this is a brow pencil, but I will be using it for my lip. Today I'm doing something strange that I saw from another YouTuber's channel. I saw it from, I think, if you know Laefa Beauty. Like, if you don't know Laefa Beauty, she is also a YouTuber based in Nigeria. She used a concealer and I think a brow pencil for her lips, and the look was really nice. So I decided to try it today. So let me just quickly go underneath my lips, just around my lips with a lip. Why am I making so much noise? Let me just do this for you guys to see. I don't know how it's going to turn out for me, but there is no harm in trying. My lips is just, it's too dry. Let me quickly add the concealer before. I think I really like how the lips are looking. So I'm just going to you guys, I'm going to finish this look with this lip gloss right here. This is one of my favorites. Like, it's not like one of, it is my favorite lip gloss. Wow, I really like the lips. I'm going to finish with this. So you guys, here's the finished look. I really like how the concealer and the lip gloss turned out. You guys, like, I really like this look. I really like it. And you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.